Sanibonani sizile nomgosi cephaza subscribers.
Wait, I'm gonna
What
narrate
happened,
the
Toby?
story.
What happened?
Yeah, I'm gonna narrate this. I'm gonna tell you what happened. But let me tell you what had happened, right? So I'm at that place, right? And then I'm doing the thing. And then I told you all where I was. And then I left. And then I came back. So this is at the me coming back because then I wanted me a bag, right? So I left for like how long were we gone? Two
It was
hours.
actually more than 2 hours.
Okay, we left for like 2 hours and then we came back. So I come back, or we come back, because then I was going with my friend, right? And then we good, we get us our drinks, and then we settle. And then Moshe shows up. Well, I wasn't even aware it
He
was
came
Moshe.
in like Jesus.
Tommy, the
Like
way
he
he
was
was
just gonna
so
anoint
angry,
you with
the way
some
he was
holy
so
oil.
angry, then he just came. There he is. He shows up. Wow, wow, wow. Then he was wearing all black, right? So they better not fucking delete that evidence because then I got attacked inside the club. My friend said we're gonna follow this case,
No, we should.
and we
I
are.
mean, you should. Don't just let it
So
like that.
now we
Don't.
go into the
He
hospital.
attacked you.
We're doing, and yeah, let a bitch learn some lessons. So that's fine. So obviously they were ready for the fight, right? So the Moshe's crew was there. Fuck that bitches. They
They
so
they
ugly.
they
Did,
so
did you think they were
they body
pretty?
shamed me.
Oh
They
fuck.
said a lot of crap. They were ready for this.
I didn't
On
think
Sam, you so
I didn't think they were
round.
pretty, right?
They were
I didn't
not.
think they were pretty.
I didn't like what
These
they
are
did
like
to
fucking
me.
Timbisa bitches that can fucking stab you, right?
They
That's
wanted to
them.
stab me.
Tommy,
You
let me tell you. And then there we are. Me and my friend, we're drinking, we're minding our own business. Then yeah, we was minding our own business,
we
right?
was minding our own business.
Then that Moshe comes, he's like, what did you say about me? I'm like,
I thought he was actually talking to you nicely, and then the next thing I'm like, "Hi,
hi,
Moshe,
Tommy,
Puti Moshe, what is it that
Tommy.
you're doing?"
Next thing,
He was
go.
brutalizing the. He's actually a
Yeah, but
Puti Moshe. You put Moshe
let me tell.
aside. I'm done
Then
with
I'm
him.
sitting like
Puti
I'm
Moshe,
gonna tell you the
Ndiki.
truth, right?
Mm-mm.
And then I'm sitting, we're drinking, me and my friend, we's having that fucking cocktail that don't even make drunk.
It is so sweet.
It is so
I
sweet.
don't know. We
What a
actually
lot of
got there and we
sugar.
had a lot of sugar just to
What
be
a lot of
attacked.
sugar.
I mean, he had so much energy to just
Tommy,
stand tall.
the way.
And he comes when you are seated.
Then I'm sitting. Obviously, I'm sitting. I'm not expecting a bitch to jump me.
Lalela. I thought he is like, oh, the son
He's
of
like, wait,
man.
let me continue with this story. And then that bitch like,
Ah.
what did you say about me? I'm like, okay, then I'm trying to figure out who are you. I'm like, what did I say about you? Then I look away because I'm trying to like remember. I know like a lot of people. I talk about everyone, right? And then when I look up, they might go.
Like how?
Then
That was so quick.
not me falling on the chair. Show me, not me falling. Go. I'm falling. Then okay, then I get up. The way you guys think I am where the danger is, then I'm still like a lady. I get up, I pull the chair up because I'm still trying to figure out what is happening. I'm like, hi man,
But Moshe was in the house.
uyandingela, umusho uyandingela, right? Then I come out. So when I come out, that okay, that's well. When I come out, when the video that Musha's friends are pushing now is the video when I was coming out because then I left my drink at the fucking wait. I'm like, you know what? Hold my drink. It is fine. Now I need to get to Musha. Then the security guards are holding me. They're holding me. They're like, I must relax. I'm like, why must I relax when I got fucking bed like now? So I'm not gonna relax. I need to get me to Moshe. Like I need to fucking get Moshe, and I can sort this out. Woman to woman, or woman to dog, or whatever. Then he's a dog daddy, right? So I'm gonna sort this out myself. I don't even need to get held. I can take care of this myself. And then I come out, and then that's the video that is currently being pushed right now, that when I come out and then there's a man that's holding me, that's when then he had already like hit me inside, right? Because I was going to him. If you watch, there's another video. If you watch him, then he's walking away because I was going to get him. Ain't no talentless bitch that's gonna put their hands on me, right? But then it's fine. I'm like, okay,
But
fine
he
then.
just came too
Show
quick.
me. Then, okay, then we're standing. Then I tell my
Actually,
friend, I'm
can
like,
we use that main gate there? Like,
yeah,
you go
get
out.
us to the hospital, Daddy. Get us there.
Yes,
So that's fine.
I think there's people standing.
Yeah, get us by
That's
the people,
entrance there.
right?
Yeah.
So let me tell you. And then there's the thing.
Can we just
Then,
go through for us to
oh,
be?
guys, okay, then my hair fell, right? That's fine. That's funny, but that's also evidence, right? So we're not gonna be stupid about it because I literally got fucking attacked.
You were attacked, and it was like so quick. That was
Yeah,
like,
but Tommy, let me talk my story. Yeah, get us to the emergency room.